Hello, everyone. Now, today I'm going to present my report, and my topic is organizational behavior analysis of Montague in bread and breakfast. I'm Falguni Shome, and here I'm covering these areas of Montague Hotel. And first of all, I'm going to talk about the executive summary. This project is focused on understanding the Montague Inn Hotel in Saginaw, Michigan, and implementing the organizational behavior ideas. The Montague Inn Hotel can get the chance to grow and maximize its potential. And overall, this project helped the Montague Inn Hotel to get the best possible solution of every aspect or every facets of its achieving its goal. Now I'm going a brief introduction about myself and Montague Hotel introduction. These are I am Falguni Shome. I came from Bangladesh. That's a small country in Asia, and I have 10 years accounting, banking, and lecturer experience at Premier University, Montague Hotel, an institution of science, trade, and technology. And I have completed my bachelor's and master's from University of Dhaka, and now I'm doing my MBA program at Saginaw Valley State University to improve my career in USA. Now I'm giving the introduction of Montague. Montague Hotel is a historical place, and it's located in Saginaw, Michigan, and it was first built in 1920s by Robert Montague. It has 17 guest rooms, and it hosts special occasions like graduation program, family gatherings, business conference, etc. And the management structure of Montague is so small, only 9 people are working here, but the most prominent people are owner, manager, housekeeper, and IT supporter. Here I'm giving the picture or diagram of organizational structure of Montague Hotel. Now I'm going to talk about the organizational behavior and utilizing strategic planning process. We know that we study our organizational behavior to know about the behavior of individual groups and structures within an organizational boundary and how they can work effectively and efficiently. That's the goal of organizational behavior. And here we're using the evidence-based assumption, research-based assumption, through which we can engage using employee engagement to achieving our strategic objectives. And secondly, we are assessing and managing personality differences in the workplace. First of all, I'm assessing my personality types. Here I'm using 5-point Likert scale, where I'm giving the highest point in conscientiousness, because I think that I'm very much reliable for any kind of organization. And my second trait is agreeableness. I like to work with people. So I give here 4. And neuroticism, I'm not so much control my emotions, so I give 2 points here. And but I like to explore new things, so I give 3 points in here. And extroversion, I'm giving moderate extrovert person. And for these personality differences or trait, knowing these personality traits help Montague to resolve conflict and selecting right people in the right place, and sometimes giving different kind of roles to improve their skills, and finally to maintain good relationship with employees, managers, and customers. Now I'm talking about the perceptual distortions and perceptual biases. All of you know that perceptual biases means we have a significant biases about something like halo effect. We select people basis on one characteristic. Those are called biases. So these also happen in Montague Inn for long term. There's no long term goals for Montague Inn. Most of the people came here for short term trip, but Montague can preparing presentation to attract people for long term goals. And for training session, our manager give us small grids and obviously provide positive reinforcement to those people who are doing wrong. And recruiting selection, I think that Montague Hotel recruiting people based on experience, but a selection based on personality and experience will help them to select the right people. Ethics practices is very important for any organization for creating creditability in organization setting, and making a common platform for employees and decision maker, and avoid penalties, lawsuits, and to create a sense of purpose. So the approaches we can use for the ethics is managers can play the role model for any organization, and the organization should follow the code of ethics in all of its activities, and implement ethical committee who can arrange meeting every week and communicate with employees and give recommendations, and obviously provide protective mechanism to those employees who can highlight the unethical behavior of organization. Now I'm going to talk about the corporate social responsibility initiative. It's very important to highlight the brand or recognition of the company, and to maintain good relationship with investors, and employee retention program, and reduce risks. So for this corporate social responsibility approaches, Montague uses several approaches, like they're working as a volunteer, giving food to needy people, creating a dialogue, like they arranging peace work or peace rally from the Montague Hotel. The peace rally started from the Montague Hotel, and align business services and donate the leftover food to the needy people, and using recycling program, waste reduction technique to protect the environment. Now, individual decision making creativity. I'm approaching 4 different approach for Montague Hotel. These are interesting and immersing dining experience, like theme-based dining experience, medieval theme, circus themed, and giving financial incentives to those workers who can innovate new ideas. Outdoor adventure program like kayaking, mountain biking, and offer wellness like yoga, meditation treatment to employees and sometimes customers. Here I give the wedding expo event example for 100 people. If the 100 people arranging wedding event in there, these are the cost of Montague Hotel. You can go to this link and check this cost of the Montague, and the amount Montague collect from the customers. If this happen, then Montague can earn $5,600 profit from 100 people wedding arrangement. Now I'm going to talk about motivation foundation approaches. Motivation is very much essential for maintaining positive work environment, and people become bored doing same task all the time. So job rotation is very essential for motivation. Recognition and praise, obviously the most prominent approach for motivation. And flexible, nowadays it's a very big problem that women and female and male work are working together. So to balance their work and life, flexible work sheeting is a very good motivational approach. So there are several approaches. I'm also suggesting that training and evaluation program like coaching, mentoring, wellness program, clear career paths, opportunities for growth, and obviously meaningful work. I mean, employees are like to take doing advantageous jobs. So if the organization give more opportunities or meaningful work, that will create a really purpose for the employees. Now, last topic is communicating a vision, mission, and core values. Although in Montague Hotel didn't have any clear core vision, mission, and core values, but I collected from tourist website their mission, and core values. These are given here. I also give the link of this website, and some recommendation I'm suggesting for communicating mission, vision, and core values is utilizing various communication channels like social medias, newsletters, and train employees to understand its vision, mission, and core values, and try to work on the basis of that, and incorporate vision, mission, core values in their daily operations, so that the real motto can be successful for the development of organization. And finally, the organization can collect, solicit feedback from its customers and employees. And last of all, I should say the conclusion, that is that organization behavior analysis of Montague Hotel would likely to provide valuable insight into the hotel function as an organization, would lead and help to identify several areas for improvement, employee behavior, communication, leadership, and other critical factors. I think it's a very helpful report to increase the overall effectiveness of the hotel, and it will help to the Montague to achieve greater success and profitability. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.